I've spent a lot of time this year surrounded by people, and I think making space to remember who I am is one of the most important things for my happiness. This year has felt pretty overwhelming. I had a tough time with it at first because I felt suddenly everything was out of my control. There's always an expectation of who I should be, and I never want to disappoint people, but you can't ever be anyone other than who you are. I've always felt that it's my responsibility to feel things fiercely, to feel life without boundaries, and to be present. With all the changes happening in my life and all the changes to process, this has been pretty overwhelming, and I've spent a lot of time feeling very confused. When I look back, I see even through periods of confusion, I have been processing and moving forwards. At the end of this year, I wanted to escape for a while with my family and friends, to slow down and enjoy this beautiful country that we live in. Everything here is so fast, it's so overwhelming, but it does the most graceful job of making you feel so perfectly small. When things are that big, it makes you just want to do the things you love. Whoa! I'm naming this series of films Go Where You Feel Most Alive, because it's a journey, and it's something that I'm still working out in my life.